how you can claim?
No, no, I am not getting you. Actually, what happened? Why he is claiming my policy?
Sir, it is your policy additional benefit amount, no?
Oh, okay.
Whatever you pay as a premium, you get on maturity, but it is your not maturity amount. This is your policy benefit amount.
Yeah, yeah, I know that.
So,
But you send me the check, na? By post, you send me the check. I will receive it.
but firstly, company already gave you the information na, that how you can claim your policy benefit amount, but you didn't apply. So, may I know the reason behind why you didn't apply till yet? Will you have already received the information?
No, no, actually, it is not matured yet. That's why I have not applied for it. The maturity date is.
But sir, it is your not maturity amount. This is your policy benefit amount. So,
Oh,
and
okay.
today is your deadline date. So, do one thing. I can directly give you the Max Life manager who's forwarded file to me for transaction. You can talk to your Max Life manager. Manager gives you the information why company declare money and how can you apply.
Oh, so you are from which bank?
I am from HDFC Bank. Here is your agent advisor account. That's why I'm calling you. It's a confirmation call before the transaction.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
why don't you credit the amount to my SDFC account? I can share my account number with you.
Sir, I need a mail from manager side for holding your money in favor of you. So
Oh,
you can,
oh.
firstly you can talk to the Max Life manager and today you apply the process in company, then you get this money. If I get the mail from company side, na, then I can hold this check in favor of you and
Hmm.
transfer this one directly in your account.
So, how much amount I will get?
188,456.
188 lakhs.
1,88,456 rupees.
That is the amount I will get.
Yeah.
Okay, so now what I have
But
to do?
firstly, you can talk to the Max Life manager, and today you apply the process in company, then you get this money. Otherwise, payment will be clear in favor of agent advisor because
Oh,
I have a limited time to hold your check.
so the payment. The advisor will take the amount. No, no, don't give them the amount. Please give the amount to me only.
But firstly, you can talk to the Max Life manager and apply the process in company. I can give you the number, you can note down.
You please redirect the phone number to the Max Life agent. Actually,
No, no, I can give you the Max Life manager number, your file manager. You can talk to the file manager. Manager give
yeah,
you the information by company declare money and how can you apply.
yeah. Please redirect the call to the manager. I will talk to them.
Sir, you can call to manager. I can't connect this call.
Please do this because the amount is very huge.
Yeah, so you can note down the manager number and you can call to manager because you are the policy holder, no? So you can talk to the manager.
Yeah, yeah. For that, I am telling you to redirect the call to the manager.
That I can't connect this call because I am from bank now. So you can note down the number and you can call to manager.
You are from which bank, ma'am?
HDFC Bank.
Okay, so should I go to HDFC Bank today?
So you can go to Max Life. You can
Okay.
because it's your Max Life policy now.
Uh huh.
So you can talk to the Max Life manager. Manager give you the information how to apply. And today you apply the process in company, then you get this money. You
Uh,
can talk to the Max Life manager. I can give you the number of manager.
okay, so what is the deadline actually? Like,
Today is the deadline date, and
uh,
after 2 p.m.
hmm.
Yeah.
So why you calling me late? Because if today is the last date, you have informed me
But
only
sir,
today.
here is mentioning company already gave you the information, but you didn't apply.
No, no, nobody
So
given
it's
me
a
the information. Nobody called me or mailed me.
so do one thing, sir. You can call to manager. Manager give you the information, and today you apply the process online mode.
I don't know how to talk to the manager actually.
I can give you the information. No,
No,
you can
you
call to
please,
manager and
you
ask
please,
for your agent.
you please talk to the manager on behalf of me and tell them to credit the amount to my account directly. And don't give to the agent because the amount is very big.
Okay, be on a line. I can connect this line.
Yeah, yeah, please. तो फ्रॉड ऐसे होता है भाई, मेरा एच डी एफ सी बैंक में अकाउंट ही नहीं है और ना ही मेरा मैक्स लैब का कोई पॉलिसी है। मैं मैक्स लैब का पॉलिसी नहीं लिया हूँ और मैं एच डी एफ सी बैंक में मेरा अकाउंट कुछ भी नहीं है। ये लोग फ्रॉड कर रहे हैं और मुझे बोल रहे हैं कि 1,88,000 का मेरा जो है अमाउंट वो मेरे अकाउंट में आएगा और आज लास्ट डेट है। तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा, मैं ऐसे डिस्परेट हो जाऊँगा और मैनेजर का नंबर ये देंगे तो मैं उसको फ़ोन करूँगा, वो बोलेगा कि हाँ आपने क्यों नहीं लिया था, आप गड़बड़ किए, आप लेट किए हो। तो मैं इनको बोला कि मैं कॉल नहीं करूँगा क्योंकि मुझे वीडियो बनाना है और दिखाना है कि फ्रॉड कैसे होता है। क्योंकि भाई ये गलत आदमी से पंगा ले रहे हैं। मैं साइबर सिक्योरिटी का एक्सपर्ट हूँ। पता नहीं है इनको कि मैं JIV CIV करके यहाँ पे साइबर सिक्योरिटी और जो है प्रिवेंशन ऑफ साइबर सिक्योरिटी एंड फ्रॉड मैनेजमेंट में
Hello.
सर्टिफिकेट
Yes,
कर
sir.
करके बैठा हूँ। हेलो।
Hello. Yes, sir. I'm connecting a line to Nikita ma'am. Okay?
ओ निकिता मैम इज फ्रॉम मैक्स लाइफ।
Yeah, she is from Max Life Insurance as a senior manager.
ओके
She will guide you each and everything that how you can claim this benefit amount and ask her to share me a mail. So if I receive the mail from her side,
ओके
then definitely I'll hold the payment and transfer the fund directly in your account, not to anyone else.
ओके
Okay?
ओके थैंक यू सो मच मैम, थैंक यू सो
Yeah,
मच।
thank you. Be on a line.
ये अभी मुझे चूतिया बनाने की कोशिश करेंगे कि आपका पेमेंट वगैरह सब क्लियर हो जाएगा। तो देखो मैं इनका पर्दाफाश कैसे करता हूँ।
Hello.
हेलो।
Yes, very good afternoon.
गुड आफ्टरनून मैम।
What happened?
नो एक्चुअली आर यू निकिता मैम?
Yes, I'm Nikita Sharma from Max Life Insurance Company Fundraising Department.
Okay. So actually, I have got a call from HDFC Bank. They are telling me that my check will be cleared to the agent if I don't do the clearing of my insurance process today.
May I know who is your agent? Is your relative or friend, something like that?
I don't
The agent?
know. Actually, I received the call today only. Ramesh is the agent. They are telling me. I don't know.
No problem. Let me tell you what is this amount and how to apply. Okay.
Okay, okay. You please
Actually,
tell
what
me.
happens last financial year, Max Life Insurance Company turnover has been done is 19,018 crores.
Okay,
Company want to save the tax. So
okay,
company declare money for some selected customer name and your name is also selected. It doesn't matter your policy is running close, lapse, whatever it is. This is your benefit amount which is declared by company side. Okay. But
Oh,
your
so
agent is demanding. How
so
your
this is a
agent is
bonus.
demanding? Yeah, this is totally additional amount which is
Oh,
depend on
oh,
company turnover.
wow.
Yeah. Whatever you pay, it's a different amount and this is your different amount. Okay.
Okay, okay,
But your agent, local agent is demanding. How he is demanding, if you remember, when you buy this policy first time, so you have fill up an application form,
hmm.
correct?
Maybe he's too
In an
greedy. That's why he is demanding my money. I don't know why.
No, let me tell you, when
Hmm.
you buy this policy first time, so you have fill up an application form.
Hmm.
In an application form, one blank is mentioned, advisor code. Your
Okay.
agent who gave you this policy at that time, he put the ARC code, agent relationship code on your policy.
Okay.
And he asked you to sign here, 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 and you sign the document on the behalf of this, he is demanding for this benefit amount. Okay?
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So firstly, in that condition, what can I do? I just apply the application in IRDAI for removing the agent code from your policy permanently. Okay?
Yeah. Yeah. Please, please
For
remove
removing
him.
this agent code from your policy, you need to follow the process for a limited time of 28th of June 2025. It will
Oh.
take 90 to 120 working days. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
The process name is, please note down, the process name is D2C, which means direct to customer. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
With the help of direct to customer process, the agent code will be permanently deactivated and the
Yeah.
customer ID will be made on your name. So
Okay.
suppose in future company declare any more benefit amount, like after 2 years later or 6 years later, so it is directly transferred to you. You don't
Okay.
need to claim it again and again. The agent
So,
code will be permanently removed and the customer ID will be made on your name. Okay?
so I will be getting payment every year.
Not every year, it is depend on company turnover, sir.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. So now the
Yeah.
company turnover is good. That's why they are paying me, right?
Is in 19,018 crores. Definitely company want to
Oh.
save the tax, so that is why company declare money. If you can check on Google also.
Okay.
Okay.
So how much amount I will get right now?
Yeah, so on the behalf of this he is demanding, but if I remove the agent code, so the customer ID will be made and the benefit is come in your account. Okay.
So how much amount I will get today?
1,88,456 rupees.
So that is what I am getting today.
Not today, before the date of 28th of June, you will get this amount. If you have to apply today, the money will come before 28th of June 2025. Okay?
Okay.
Because the reason is that the customer ID will take 6 month time. Okay? So I
Okay.
will give you the deadline date before June, the money will be transferred in your saving account.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. Ma'am, please do this.
Yes.
Please help me because I am actually not having sufficient money. Please give me.
I can help you, but you need to follow the D2C process, then only you
Okay.
will get this money.
What is the
Okay?
process actually? Can you elaborate?
Can I tell you again?
Yeah?
I will tell you again.
Yeah, yeah, please tell me the process. I will do it right now.
I'm telling you, your agent put the code on your policy on the behalf
Yeah,
of
I know
police
that.
claiming, right?
But please
Yeah.
remove the
So
policy, na? I'm telling you, please
yes,
remove
no,
him.
not remove the policy. I have to remove the agent code. I have to create customer ID, then only you
Okay.
will get this money.
Okay, okay.
For creating customer ID, you need to follow the direct to customer process.
Okay,
But
okay.
I can see your file, and there is no any direct relation of yours with Max Life because you had this policy through third party, and the policy is running in an agent code. So
Uh-huh.
if you want to apply for this money, if you want to create customer ID, you need to show relation with company. Okay.
Okay.
And how to show relation with Max Life? It is also showing with the help of a policy. It
Okay.
means you need to create a dummy policy for releasing this money, for claiming the amount, and for creating the customer ID. Okay.
Mm-hmm. So,
For creating dummy policy, direct policy, you need to submit basic documents. You can note down the document which you have to provide for this.
okay, okay, please.
First one is ID proof, PAN card copy.
I have them. I have all these
Second
documents.
is Aadhaar card.
Okay.
Third is one photo.
Okay, okay.
Fourth is cancel check in which account you want this money. If you don't have
Yeah.
cancel check, you can send passbook copy.
Yeah, yeah, you send me to directly to the HDFC bank account. The ma'am connected
In which
me.
account you want this money, you have to provide the bank proof, cancel check,
Okay.
otherwise passbook copy. Okay.
Okay, 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 okay.
And the last thing which I inform you that there is no any relation. To show the relation, you have to create a direct policy. And you know
Okay.
very well, if you will take any kind of policy now for opening policy, you need to show some investment as a security purpose. So you need
Okay.
to show some investment in a policy which is totally refundable amount along with 1,88,000 rupees. Okay.
Okay.
The dummy policy minimum premium which is around 36,000 you have to invest. And this 36,000 you will get refund along with 1,88,000 rupees before 28th of June which I inform you. Okay.
So how much amount I have to pay right now?
36,000 you have to invest as a premium in a policy for
Okay.
creating customer ID. Yeah.
Acha,
And
36,000 I
this
have to pay right now for a dummy policy.
for the
And
creating customer ID, yes,
okay,
which is
okay.
refundable amount.
Okay,
The
okay.
total
Refund.
amount you will receive 2,24,456 rupees.
Okay, so 30,000 I will get refund along with 188,000, right?
Yeah, because you need to invest in a policy only. Policy amount is refundable, na?
Yeah, yeah, I'm very
Company amount
comfortable
will
paying. I
be
am
a
very comfortable paying 30,000. If I'm getting 1,88,000, then I don't have any issue with paying 30,000.
I think you don't understand the process, sir. I'm telling you,
Oh.
you have to remove the agent code. You have
Mm-hmm.
to create the customer ID.
Okay.
That is why you have to open a policy.
Okay, okay. I will open the policy. No issue.
Firstly, you need to submit your basic document. With the help of this, a policy link will be made and you will get officially mail at your email ID for completing the process.
Okay, so how can I
This
share
is
the
same number
documents?
is on WhatsApp.
How can I share the document?
I'm asking you, this is the same number is on WhatsApp.
Yeah, yeah, same number.
Okay, right now I'm just sending you the message at your WhatsApp number from my document department side. Kindly submit the required document, then I will call you from my side for KYC. And
Oh,
after updating your KYC detail, I will share you the policy link and your email ID for completing the process. You will
okay.
get officially mail from Max Life. Once you will get from Max Life, you can check the all details, then you can invest. And after invest, you have to take a screenshot and send. That screenshot I forward in the bank to hold the check. So the check will
Okay.
not clear in favor of any local advisor.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
So
Yeah,
actually,
and I will give you my number. Yeah,
ma'am, you send me the message. Can I ask you something?
please.
Actually, you look very professional and your English is very nice.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. And since you are very educated, why you're doing such frauds right now? Because I don't know. Because you're
How can you
educated.
say this is a fraud, sir? I'm not asking you to pay in favor of my account, right?
What's your name, ma'am?
Nikita.
Nikita. Okay, so Nikita, why you are doing fraud? You are such an educated
You just tell
person.
me one thing.
And
I'm not
today's to
asking you to pay in
Nikita,
favor of
listen.
my
Nikita,
account. So
listen.
how can you say this is a
Listen,
fraud call?
Nikita. Today is also in Women's Day. Nikita, today is Women's Day, and you are doing fraud with me. And this is the reason why fraud is happening in India, and because fraudster are everywhere. And you see how educated she is. She is clearly speaking fluent English, and despite that, she is not putting efforts to earn money. She is doing fraud. She is trying to manipulate people to pay money. She is extorting people, and this is the reason why India is backward. एंड उनको पता नहीं था कि मैं क्या करता हूँ भाई मैं सिंपली मैं एक बैंकर हूँ एंड आई हैव एक्सटेंसिव एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ 6 years इन बैंकिंग I have done a lot of certification in digital banking, cyber security, fraud management. तो मैं इजीली इनको पकड़ लेता हूँ। लेकिन बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जिनको ये चीज़ों के बारे में पता नहीं है, ये जो फ्रॉड कैसे होता है, ये एक्सटॉर्शन कैसे होता है, ये लालच दिखा के पैसा ले जाते हैं लोगों से। दे फ्लैश्ड शो यू द नीड ग्रीड, आपको डेडलाइन दिखाएंगे, आपको डाइवर्ट करेंगे कि बोलेंगे आज लास्ट डेट है, खत्म हो जाएगा, अगर पैसे नहीं दोगे तो पैसा चला जाएगा। जैसे मैं मुझे बोला कि 12 या 2 बजे तक मेरा पैसा गायब हो जाएगा। मेरा एचडीएफसी बैंक में अकाउंट नहीं है, मेरा मैक्स लाइफ में भी अकाउंट नहीं है, लेकिन मुझे पता था ये फ्रॉड है। वीडियो बनाने के लिए मैं सोचा कि इसको डाल दूं अभी, तो मैं इसको शेयर कर रहा हूँ आप लोगों के साथ। सो बी केयरफुल एंड डोंट शेयर एनी ऑफ योर पर्सनल इंफॉर्मेशन विथ एनी अननोन पर्सन। आपको अगर डाउट हो रहा है तो इमीडिएटली गो टू द ब्रांच, जो फिजिकल ब्रांच है वहाँ पे जाइए, या फिर जो जेन्युइन वेबसाइट है वहाँ पे जाइए, मोबाइल नंबर वहाँ पे मिलेगा कस्टमर केयर का, और वहाँ से कॉल करिए, कस्टमर केयर पे बात करिए। अगर आपको वहाँ से फोन आ रहा है, बोल रहे हैं कि आपको पैसा मिलेगा, आपका इंश्योरेंस कॉपी डीएक्टिवेट हो जाएगा, केवाईसी करना है, आपका लॉटरी लग गया है, आपका फ्लाइट डिले हो गया, कुछ भी बोल रहे हैं, do not trust blindly, always cross check, otherwise you will lose a lot of money। यहाँ पे इतना बड़ा फ्रॉडस्टर बैठे हुए हैं, इतना बड़ा बड़ा स्कैम कर रहे हैं, इतना अच्छा इंग्लिश बोल रहा है, मैं उसको अभी सुना के काटा हूँ फोन। लेकिन आपको मतलब आइडिया नहीं है कितने बड़े बड़े लेवल्स पे ये बैठे हैं। ये 100-200 लोग एक एक साथ बैठते हैं और फ्रॉड करते हैं। तो ये फ्रॉड आपके साथ भी हो सकता है। तो स्टे अलर्ट। अगर कुछ डिजिटल बैंकिंग और साइबर सिक्योरिटी के रिलेटेड आपको क्वेश्चन पूछना है, आपके डाउट है या फिर कुछ भी है, एंड इफ यू आर माय रिलेटिव और फ्रेंड, यू कैन डायरेक्टली कॉल मी, आई विल डेफिनेटली ट्राई टू हेल्प यू। अगर आप पब्लिक में मेरे यूट्यूब पे ही देख रहे हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में डालो, या फिर किसी को पूछो, कोई भी बैंकर आपके फैमिली में हो या फिर कोई भी लॉयर हो, कोई भी एजुकेटेड लोग हो, उससे पूछो कि यार जेन्युइन है कि नहीं, दोबारा क्रॉस चेक करो, फिर आप जाके कुछ शेयर करो। मुझे ये आधार कार्ड पैन कार्ड भी मांग रहा था और मैं व्हाट्सएप पे सेंड कर देता। बैंक वाले वैसे आधार कार्ड पैन कार्ड व्हाट्सएप पे नहीं मांगते, ठीक है, और मैं शेयर करता तो फिर ये मुझे क्या करते, लिंक भेजते अभी 30,000 का, क्योंकि मुझे 1,88,000 उन्हें देने वाले थे, लालच दिखाया था। तो मैं पे करता था, धीरे धीरे अमाउंट बढ़ता बढ़ता बढ़ता, फिर वो मेरे अकाउंट को खाली कर देते और फिर मैं अभी रो रहा होता। ठीक है, तो यही होता है। तो बच के रहिए, सतर्क रहिए, सुरक्षित रहिए।